Did you know that our entire galaxy, including the Andromeda Galaxy and the entire Laniakea Super cluster, is moving towards an unknown location under the pull of an unknown force? It's so far away that we don't know exactly what it is. According to scientists, it is probably 150 to 200 million light years away. But what is there? I am Sourashis Chakraborty. You are watching Sourashis. Let's find out this mystery. What we know about Great Attractor. In the 1970s and 1980s, astronomers noticed something odd. Galaxies were not just moving outward with the expansion of the universe as expected from the Big Bang, they also had strange motions. Our Milky Way and nearby galaxies were moving toward a specific region of the sky at about 600 km per second. Normally, galaxies should spread out evenly as space expands. However, this extra motion suggested that something massive was pulling them in, creating a flow toward a mysterious region. The problem was that this region, nicknamed the Zone of Avoidance, is hidden behind the dense plain of the Milky Way. Dust and stars in our galaxy block our view of what's behind it, making it very hard to observe directly. Since visible light couldn't reveal much, astronomers turned to X-ray and infrared telescopes. These types of light can penetrate through the dust and gas, giving us a clearer picture of the hidden parts of the universe. Observations showed a concentration of galaxies in the normal cluster region, along with an immense gravitational force. This confirmed that the Great Attractor was pulling galaxies toward it. It is located roughly 150 to 250 million light years away from us. There are some characteristics of the Great Attractor. It has the gravitational pull of about 10 to the power 16 times the mass of the Sun. This enormous mass is thought to come from a combination of galaxies, dark matter, and possibly other structures. Latest studies reveal that the Great Attractor is part of an even larger structure, the Shapley supercluster, located beyond it. The Shapley supercluster might be the ultimate destination of the galaxies being pulled. Now let's see what is Shapley supercluster. But before that, let's see what a supercluster is. A supercluster is a giant group of smaller galaxy clusters. Each galaxy cluster contains hundreds or thousands of galaxies held together by gravity. Superclusters are among the largest cosmic structures, stretching millions of light years across. The Shapley supercluster is located about 650 million light years away from Earth, in the direction of the constellation Centaurus. It is much farther than our local group of galaxies, but close enough to be studied in detail by astronomers. Around 650 million light years across, one of the most massive structures ever discovered, containing the equivalent of over 10 million billion suns worth of mass. Understanding the Great Attractor could help us learn more about how the universe is structured and how gravity works on a larger scale. It's like solving a puzzle about the hidden forces shaping our cosmic neighborhood. The Great Attractor is a mysterious, unseen force pulling galaxies toward it, but we can't directly observe it because it's hidden behind the Milky Way. It might be a cluster of galaxies, dark matter, or part of something even bigger. Exploring it could uncover secrets about the universe's biggest mysteries. So, what is your opinion on Great Attractor? I really want to know. Don't forget to let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to tell me, which space journey would you like to go on next? Thanks a lot for watching the full video. See you in the next video. Stay well.